Intelligence test is a questionnaire or a series of exercises designed to measure intelligence. There are many types of intelligence tests and they may measure learning and or ability in a wide variety of areas and skills. Scores may be presented as an IQ, that is intelligence quotient, as a mental age or on a scale. As far as the administrative point of view is concerned, the intelligence test can be classified into two broad categories, namely individual test and group test. Individual test, in which only one individual is tested at a time, and in group test, in which a group of individuals is tested at a time. Another way of classifying the intelligence test is based on the form of the test. Accordingly, there are two types of test: verbal or language test and non-verbal and non-language test. Verbal or language test make use of language. Here the instructions are given in words, that is either in written or oral form or both. Individuals are required to use language as well as paper and pencil for giving the responses. The test content of this test is loaded with verbal materials. The commonly used individual verbal test of intelligence is Stanford-Binet IQ test, the Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, and the Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, that is WISC. Group Verbal Intelligence Test. Some of the earlier tests belonging to this category are Army Alpha Test, which is developed in World War, and Army General Classification Test, which is developed in Second World War. Today, we have a large number of group verbal tests. In India too, attempts have been made to construct such tests. Some of the popular tests of this nature are CIE, Verbal Group Test of Intelligence, constructed by Professor Uday Shankar. Group Test of Intelligence, prepared by Bureau of Psychology, Allahabad. General Mental Abilities Test, prepared by Dr. P.S. Hundal of Punjab University. Non-verbal and non-language tests involve such activities in which the use of language is not necessary. The use of language is eliminated from test content and response except in giving directions. The comprehensive test of nonverbal intelligence, the Universal Nonverbal Intelligence Test, Raven's Progressive Matrices, Merrill-Plumber Block Building, Coho's Block Design Test, Alexander Pass-Along Test, etc. are some of the examples of intelligence that are administered in a nonverbal manner. The examples of group nonverbal intelligence test are Army Beta Test, which is developed during World War I, Chicago Nonverbal Test, which is very useful and popular for young children aged between 12 and 13 years.